Hello, my name is Dave, and today I'm going to tell you about plants that eat animals. You haven't heard of it, didn't you? Of course, there is plants that eat animals. So, now, this is the most popular plant that eats animals. It's the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a strange plant, which it is half is cut in two leaves. On the leaf, there are spikes, really very hurtful spikes, which it didn't like. Mortal spikes in your in the rooms. They are very dangerous. If you touch it, it will be very painful. And it is even more scarier than the spike in your collections. And on the leaf, there are some hairs. Those hairs look like my hairs, but it is different. When animals climb on the leaf and touch the hair, any part of the insect touch the hair, the leaf shuts. Even the head, the leg, the tentacle, even the wings touch the hair. Any part touch the hair, and it will send a signal to the plant and snap the insect very fast. Some insects may be safe and they could get out, but that's our lucky insects. But it happens.
Could you stand up and move here and get out of the robot's way? Move the chair to this area, please. To this area, please. And you can move here.
And snap very fast. And usually, Venus flytrap can snap insects really fast. Of course, some of them can't escape, but some can. Do you know that? You know why insects go in? Because they thought the leaf, it's a leaf to hang on, to rest on, or to lay their eggs. It is flower, and they just drink the nectar in, or like flies, they use the tongue and just touch it at the Venus flytrap, which the fly didn't know. The Venus flytrap snap it. And now, this is the second plant. It is called pitcher plant. Do you know why it's called pitcher? There, that's a pitcher shape in the table. It looks like a pitcher. Hold water and put it in the cup. And this plant looks the same. Even the lid. The pitcher has the lid, and the plant also has the lid. It's a pitcher plant. The lid is a leaf, and the plant looks really like a pitcher. Looks like a bottle, a green bottle hanging in the forest. And it's opening. have a very strange smell, which a sweet smell, which animals could smell from far away, from miles away, and the insect will go there to the pitcher plant. When it stands on the pitcher plant, it falls down. If you are going to say it's very easy, they don't fall, but you have to be careful. If you are the mini bees, you're in big danger. When you're standing on the lid, you might slip because of the sweet of the pitcher plant. It's very slimy, like honey or jam, and you might fall down, and the insects fall down like a liquid thing. Looks like really like a white jelly bean or white jelly, and when the insects stuck there, there are some white things around the pitcher plant's belly, and they thought the exit, but not again. That's the trap. The insects got there for 5 to 10 minutes and got nothing. And that's how pitcher plant eats. And now, this is the third plant called, I don't remember the name, but it looks really like a cactus. It also lives in the desert too. There are some insects there. For example, ants, ladybugs, and maybe grasshoppers too. And when the insects crawl on the plant's stem, they are stick by some spikes. They are not hurtful spikes. They are fine, but their substance on those spikes, which looks really like saps. When the animal touched the leg in, they got stuck. They used their hand and pull their legs out, but again stuck. And that now this plant turned into more creepy. It rolled the head of it, and it uses that and bump, and it turn around like this. It's standing straight, and when the plants turn on it, it do a loop. It do a loop.
It bent.
It bends. It head down to the belly. It looks really like you curling up a blanket. It's strange. It was also creepy. And the plants, now the insects got very flat. It looked like an insect which the body parts spreads out. The glue on the spike looked very sticky that it could break apart the insect plant, the insect's body, and it looks really like the glue have an elephant on it. It's way more stickier, And now, then not just plants that eat animals on the ground, even in the water. This plant is very strange, but it is the fastest snappers plant in the world. Not real plant, but it is. And it looks really like a sea fly trap. No, sea fly trap. Yeah, it looks like a sea fly trap, which it looks like a fly trap. So, have you ever seen a mushroom? Of course, yes. And have you seen a mushroom in the water?
Seen.
Of course not. Still going to call sea shroom. But for this will be sea fly trap. So this plant looks often like a sea fly trap. But one thing is you can see its root stepping down the sand and waiting for the plankton. Sea plankton is small fish. When this is the mouth, this is a fish. I want to fish from a snap. Now again, snap. Can you see it? Of course not. So this is a slow motion. So you see, the plant usually put its head out to the near the fish and snap away very quickly in 0.5 seconds. And the plant got the insects got destroyed. And it even has 2 ways to catch. On the root, in the roots, there are some scales or skins from reptiles. That is really like that with a hole inside. It looks that. So I call it no, I don't know what to call them. But when any plankton swim nearby, it doesn't snap. There's a hole there. The plankton thought it was a shelter for it to hide, to put the nest in, put the eggs in. One coming. Snap. It don't really look like the fish fly trap. The fish fly trap take a few seconds for it to shut its mouth. But this one takes 0.5 seconds, which is very fast. So you know, these plants, these stems have roots, but they live in moisture place, which there's less water. If there's a lot of water, too much water, a lot of water, like 2% from that bottle, the plant might die. 2% from that bottle would be a flood inside the Venus flytrap town. And the plant might die. It only needs a few water.
A little water.
Bit. Just 1 drop. That's all. No, 5 drops. 3 drops, of course. And now, have you learned anything about plants that eat animals? Thank you for listening. Good night.